how to buy, activate, and install eSIM. That is going to be for Airalo, and this is going to be for tutorial for beginners. Now, first things first. The very first thing that you'll have to check and make sure if you're using either an Apple or an Android device, you'll have to check first if your mobile phone is compatible by using an eSIM. Now, what is an eSIM? eSIM is actually not a physical SIM card. Now, Airalo is a eSIM marketplace in which you can download via the iOS or Android store, and then you'll just have to create and register an account, and then you should be good to go to buy and activate an eSIM card. Now, it allows you to easily stay connected when you travel abroad, and it's easy to use and offers reliable connectivity at most destinations, often at a cost that's cheaper than using your US mobile plan. And it also has available more than 200 countries, so that you'll be able to check and know if the country that you're traveling is compatible with an eSIM using the Iralo. Now, this website right here, which is lifecycle-software.com, you can copy this URL and paste it on your preferred web browser. Now, this is going to be the site that we're going to check if the phone that you're using to download an Airalo is compatible with an eSIM. Now, these are the iPhones that is going to be available for eSIM. So basically, it's going to be around iPhone XS above. Okay. Now for Samsung phones, Samsung S24, Galaxy S2023, 23 Plus, and so on and so forth. These are all the Samsung phones that has compatible with an eSIM. With Google Pixel phones, these are the phones as well. And the Sony phones, for Xiaomi phones, these are only available for Xiaomi 12T Pro above, and then other Android mobile phones. This one right here. And they also have laptops and tablets that is compatible by using an eSIM, even smartwatches and iOS devices, car information systems, and so on and so forth. So again, the very first thing that you'll have to check first is to make sure that the mobile phone that you're using is going to be compatible with an eSIM. After which, you just have to access your preferred web browser. Now, the reason why I'm using my laptop right here is for you to have a better angle or a better view and a wider view on what we are doing. Now, from here, access your preferred web browser and search immediately for Arrow and just choose on the Arrow's official website, which is going to be here. So the first thing that you'll have to do, take note that the one that we're doing will actually be the same if you're using the Airalo application on your phone. So just click on login slash sign up if you don't have an account yet. And in here, you can choose to use your either your Apple account through your Facebook or your Google account. So let's just fill this information here. These are actually general information like your first name, last name, email, password, and so on and so forth. So let's try using our Google account. The website is currently signing us in here. So these are the popular countries that this Iralo application is currently on use. So you can click on show 200 plus countries. So as you can see, there are many countries that you can choose, and of course, the prices is not going to be the same. So for example, let's choose on Cambodia. So if you click on that specific country, there, the specific prices is going to be visible once you click on a country where you are traveling to. So, for example, Cambodia. Now, uh, it has a different prices with a different coverage of those countries that you're clicking in. For example, if you choose on the first option right here, the coverage is going to be for Cambodia, since we choose in Cambodia, and then it's going to be different data sizes depending on your price. Now the validity, the first option is only for 7 days, and the data is going to be only 1 gig. That's going to cost you around $4.50. So you can also choose to maximize depending on the longevity on your travel. So if you choose the max, it's going to cost you $32 for 30 days, or basically for a month. That's going to be 20 gigabytes coverages for Cambodia. So if you click on this one, you will automatically be routed to the payment method for you to start paying it and start enjoying that eSIM. Now let's go back. Now this is going to be the all countries. You can also choose on the regional eSIMs. Now, regional eSIMs is actually for global countries in which you're traveling. For example, you only need the eSIM for, say, for example, only a day or two. So you can choose regional, and then if you travel not only by Asia, you will use the eSIM for only 2 days, and then after 2 days, you will go to Europe or a Caribbean island or any countries outside the region. So you can choose to purchase a regional eSIM from Airalo. Now let's say Asia. Now this is gonna be a wide coverage. If you travel to Asia, you will have a full access on any country or any places as long as inside Asia. So again, it's gonna cost you $5 for 1 gigabytes, valid for 7 days. Now it's gonna be available inside Asia for 18 countries. And then if you maxed out, you can choose on 180 days, so basically around 2 to 3 months, if I'm not mistaken. And it's gonna be around 10 gigabytes for 18 countries inside Asia, and it's gonna cost you around 185 US dollars. You can also click on show all regions. There you go. Now, we can go ahead to the global ASIMs. Global eSIMs is actually like a package for local and regional, but it's going to be depending on the countries available on that specific coverage. If you choose a global eSIMs, it's going to give you around 136 countries coverage for 1 gigabytes, valid for 7 days, and that's going to be a $9 or 9 USD for 7 days and 1 gigabytes. If you choose to max out, the max is going to be around 365 days. That's going to be $69, and then will be available for 20 gigabytes, and the same for 136 countries. Now you can choose any specific feature. If you want data only, then you can choose on this first field right here and choose what specific coverage you want. If you choose data plus calls and text, then choose on this one. And of course, it's gonna be a different prices, but the coverage is gonna be the same. Coverage is gonna be available for 136 countries. Data is gonna be 1 gigabytes, 10 minutes call, and 10 SMS that you can go ahead and send. Available for 7 days and gonna cost you around $15 for 7 days. Now, um, once you already have chosen on that specific feature, let's say for example, let's choose on the 2 gigabytes, 20 minutes calls, 20 SMS available for 18 days, and this is gonna be $27. Just simply tap on buy now, and once you tap on buy now, there will be additional features that you can go ahead and add in it. So these are all the additional information, and then these are the supported countries that is available for the option that you choose. So since the option that we choose is available for 136 countries, so these are the supported 136 countries that will be available on options that you choose. So again, once you're good with this option, just tap on buy now and you will be routed to the payment method. So you can go ahead and start paying on that amount, and then you should be able to use that eSIM once the payment was successful. So that's it. That's how fast and easy you can choose or use Airalo and buying it, activating it, and install the eSIM for your phone and for your travel.